It's a teardown of a TP-Link TL-WN721N 150 megabits per second wireless lite in USB adapter. And it's damaged, unfortunately, but it just means we get to crack it apart and see what's inside. Hopefully that can is not soldered, otherwise not going to be able to see what is under it. Nothing on the bottom, and those appear to be the antennas, those traces. I don't know if that's soldered on or not. I don't think it's soldered in those points. I'm going to see if I can force it off with a screwdriver. Those pins are pretty small, so just try not to cut my fingers open in the process. These are always really sharp. And looks like got an Atheros-based chip there. I have to read that with my own eyes. My hands are too shaky for the camera. AR9271L-AL3A. And yeah, that's doing all the heavy lifting. Bunch of passives around it and crystal oscillator there. Guessing this is probably a power regulation chip or something for the USB input. Made by ST. I think the part number is 24C08WP. There's also a K401 on the second line of text. Probably about as good of a shot as I'm going to get. Really tiny little package down there as well. But yeah, not much else to see. This does appear to be USB 2.0. There's no pins for USB 3. But hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.